Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok. It's not everyone, but this is the fastest way to unfollow people. TikTok doesn't allow you to just unfollow everybody. So let's say you wanna do it a little bit faster than clicking on everybody like this. So what you're going to do, it's actually pretty simple, and it's very great that TikTok is allowing this, but you can take your 3 or 4 fingers and just tap all the same. Okay, let me try it again. Tap all the same at the same time and everybody will be unfollowed. So yeah, it's a pretty neat way. It's a pretty little thing that TikTok let us do. I hope this video helped you. Be sure to throw us a subscribe.